Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step through setting up Kali Linux in VMware Workstation, the safest and smartest way to run Kali Linux in Windows without impacting your main operating system. Whether you are a beginner in cybersecurity, learning pen testing, or building your own secure lab as a system administrator, this complete Kali Linux VMware installation guide will get you up and running the right way. If this guide make the process easier for you, hit that like button. It really helps the channel and do not forget to subscribe. So let's build your cybersecurity lab like a pro. This is my VMware workstation where we are going to set up Kali Linux. But before we begin, let's download the Kali Linux ISO file. Go to Google and search for download Kali Linux for VM. You'll see multiple links. Click on the first result, which is the official Kali Linux website. It's asking us to choose the platform. Since we are installing Kali Linux inside a virtual machine, select the virtual machine option. Here we will see multiple virtual machine options. Since we are using VMware Workstation, select the VMware image. Click here and it will start downloading the file. Save your file and the download will start. The download will take some time depending on your internet speed. Let's come back once the download is completed. The file has finished downloading. Now let's open it. As you can see, it's zip file, so we need to extract it first. The unzipping process may take a few minutes, so please wait until it's done. The file has been successfully extracted. Here, this is the main folder we'll use to set up Kali Linux. Now, let's move this folder to the location where you want to keep your virtual machine. For example, I'm moving it to my app drive inside the VMware folder. It doesn't really matter which drive you'll choose, just make sure to use the drive with enough free storage. Now let's open a VMware workstation. Click on Open a virtual machine. Navigate to the Kali Linux folder we just moved and select this file you'll see here. Once you open the file, you'll see the Kali Linux virtual machine listed here. Most of the basic configuration is already set by default. If you want to customize it, go to Settings. Here, you can adjust the RAM, processor, network adapter, and other hardware options as needed. If you are not sure about the settings, you can leave the configuration as it is. Now, click on Start. The virtual machine will power on automatically. Just click here to begin. And within a minute, you'll see a Kali Linux boot up right here in your virtual machine. By default, Kali Linux has a username and password both set to Kali. You can change it later. There you have it. Your fully functional Kali Linux virtual machine is now up and running inside VMware Workstation. You now have a safe, isolated environment to test tools and sharpen your skills without any risk to your main OS. If this guide make the process easier for you, hit that like button. It really helps the channel, and do not forget to subscribe.